Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo están? ¿Bien o mal? I hope you all said bien. Senora here. I hope you all had a great holiday weekend. To start off our clase, I decided we will count pojitos again because that is a fun spring thing to do. So before we start our Buenos Dias song, let's see how many pojitos are in clase. All right, we have uno, dos, count with me, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. All right, now I want to hear which color, morado or amarillo? Morado, muy bien. Este es anaranjado o rojo? Rojo, sí. Este es blanco o amarillo? Amarillo. Este es anaranjado o blanco? Anaranjado, sí. Este es azul o verde? Azul. Este es morado o verde? Verde, sí. Muy bien. All right, and let's count how many we have again. Ready? Together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. All right, let's move on to our Buenos Dias song. All right, let's stretch those arms like we're
Hola
waking up,
amigos,
okay?
buenos días. Mi nombre es José Luis. Por favor, canten conmigo. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias.
Muy bien, gracias.
¿Y usted?
¿Y usted?
Buenos días,
Buenos días.
¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias.
Muy bien, gracias.
¿Y usted?
¿Y usted?
¿Y usted?
¿Y usted?
All right, muy bien. Gracias, Jose. Okay, we are picking back up with our fourth lesson of el tiempo, the weather. So, how do we ask about the weather? ¿Cómo está el tiempo? How is the weather today? ¿Cómo está el tiempo? So far we know hace frío and hace calor. So say those with me. Hace frío, hace calor. Muy bien. All right. We learned about el sol and hace sol. So say those with me. El sol, hace sol. Muy bien. We learned about la lluvia and hay lluvia, the rain and it's raining out. Hay lluvia. Say that with me. Hay lluvia. Can you say la lluvia? La lluvia. Muy bien. So we know las nubes and hay nubes. What are nubes? Can you tell what nubes are? If you said clouds, you are right. And today's new word is la tormenta. Can you take a guess what la tormenta is based on my picture? La tormenta. Thunderstorm. That's right. So if I were to say, if I said, ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? And you saw that right there on our picture, you would say, ay, tormentas. It's thundering out, thunderstorms out. So I think tormentas, and my family thinks tormentas are very cool. Since I was a little girl, my dad always took me outside and we watched the tormentas, the thunderstorms outside. And we do that with our kids. We think it's a really fun thing to do. So we sit on our porch and watch the tormentas. So I have a song that's about thunder, thunderstorms, and I am going to play the first part. And so every time you hear them say thunder, we're going to say tormentas, okay? So I'll play it. Let's see if this AC/DC song, Thunderstruck, we're going to say tormentas, okay? One of my favorite songs. Our family are Chicago White Sox fan, and this is their walkout song to introduce their team. All right, get ready. We're not saying thunder, we're saying tormentas, okay? Tormentas. 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 Tormentas, right? Tormentas. All right. Gracias, AC/DC. Okay, so next time you hear thunderstorms out, you can think of that song and say tormentas, and you'll enjoy it a lot more if you hadn't already enjoyed it before. Okay, so last week we took a vote, which I know you guys love voting and you guys love to see how many people pick on voting. So we voted on las nubes and what color you like to draw your nubes. So our choices were gris, azul, and blanco. And what do you think won for the most people that voted? So most people in our survey or in our vote voted for blanco. So 4 personas dicen blanco is their favorite color for nubes. Una persona said azul, and una persona dice gris. All right, so if we are looking at this picture right here, and I say, ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? How's the weather today? Would you say hace sol or hay tormentas? Hace sol, right? There are no tormentas out today. If I showed you this out the window and I say, ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? Would you say hace sol or hay lluvia? Hay lluvia, right? No hace sol. Hay lluvia. It's raining out. All right, if this was out your window and I said, ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? Would you say hace sol or would you say hay tormentas? Hay tormentas, right? Very cool picture. All right, so our word of the day is la tormenta. Can you say la tormenta with me? La tormenta. All right, this is some of the artwork that you guys sent me this week of el tiempo, of the weather, and our Easter theme or spring theme. So I love seeing all your pictures and chalk work outside. That was a cool surprise. So if any of you would like to send me pictures of la tormenta or las tormentas, thunderstorms, I would love to see your picture of a tormenta this week, and I will show everyone next week, okay? So these are tormentas, and I would love to see what you come up with. Thank you, everyone that has sent me your artwork. I love it. All right, let's get ready to sing our Buenas noches song. Ready? Buenas noches, buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Y usted. Y usted. All right, you guys have a great week and look out for those tormentas. If there's any tormentas coming, I don't know. Have a great week and I will see you next time, okay? Adios.